Estrogen level peak during the late follicular phase. Studies investigating the physiological effect that estrogen has on the body, particularly in respect of sensation, suggest that it may improve pain tolerance and provide muscle with a small degree of protection against trauma and damage. If this is the case, the follicular phase would best be suited to more intense and challenging of exercise such as high-intensity interval training. Follicular phase is also a good time for better fat burning. Estrogen directly opposes the action of insulin on the major fat-storing enzyme, essentially making the body less prone to fat storage and more prone to fat release. Estrogen is also an anti-cortisol, and this means women may be able to better tolerate a little bit more starch and burn greater proportions of fats during exercise. And this is also a great time to focus more on steady state, longer duration, moderate intensity cardiovascular exercise. And also, your body trends towards using more carbohydrate at this phase as a fuel source.